Welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech-related articles. Happy learning! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. This is Ratul, your host of today's podcast. After a long time, we are back with an audio podcast, or you can say audio tutorial. Yes, obviously there are some reasons. So I'll tell you everything. So in this podcast or in this tutorial, we will discuss about how you can open a Demat account using TalkBack. So what is this Demat account? Why you should open? Everything we will discuss in this podcast. So please keep listening this podcast till the end. I hope you will have some different knowledge from us. We didn't upload any videos whatever we are going to do today. So I hope you liked it. This is a new try. So we are going to try to share some new information. Obviously, this is related to technology. So without further delay, let's start today's. About how to open Demat account. So what is Demat account? Those who already know about Demat account, they already understand on which topic we're going to discuss today. See, Demat account is an account which helps you to start your investing. Investing means, what do you mean by investing? Investing means you can invest your money to different companies, and when the companies will earn money, you can also get earn money, which means you are actually investing to others' business and you can earn money. But our channel is not like investment related, so we will not provide any guidance, anything regarding the investments. We will just share with you how you can start, how you can grow, how you can not grow, like how you can start investing, how you can create account. Every part of accessibility points we will discuss. We will not give you any suggestions because we are not a investment consultant or investment advisor. Okay. So before start the podcast, we have a special notice with you. Special announcement for you. So listen to that announcements, then we will come back.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. V.I Tech Academy or any of its officials are not responsible for any profit or loss resulting from investments made after watching our videos.
So guys, as you already heard that investments is a risk, there is a risk and other things. So that part I'm not going to talk about. I'm just going to talk about how you can open an account, open a Demat account and start investing. So first of all, welcome to this podcast again. And second thing, I am recording this as an audio podcast because there are some steps, some informations I need to share if I record my mobile screen. Also, there are some other requirements, some personal informations are there. So that's why I'm recording the audio podcast. But don't worry, I will tell you each and every steps in detail. So keep listening. First of all, you already know that what is Demat account. Like a bank account, you understand it is also a Demat account. Let's understand what you need to open a Demat account. First, you need your Aadhaar card, your PAN card and obviously your age should be minimum 18. Okay, Aadhaar card, PAN card you require, and your Aadhaar card should be linked with your mobile number. This is necessary. Okay, so and also you require a silent assistance because in some areas you need to take help. Okay, and second thing, you need a platform or broker. Broker means who helps you to create account on NSE. NSE means National Stock Exchange, and who helps you to buy and sell stocks and shares or investing in mutual funds. Okay, again I'm telling, we are not giving any advising. I'm just saying, okay, what you can do. Okay, now let's discuss about which application is the best for accessibility. See, every application has some accessibility, some inaccessibility. So we consider Groww, Groww. Why? Because the application's interface is very useful for a beginner user. Okay, and it is almost accessible. 85% to 90% is accessible. Okay, and I also tried some other applications such as Upstocks and InJail and in IND Money, but their interface is not so much easy to understand as a beginner. Okay, so for a beginner and for a obvious advanced user also, I should recommend Groww. Okay, I have used this application, and definitely this is very useful application. So there are almost 15 to 16 steps you need to follow, and please keep listening each steps. If possible, you can just keep a note on it. Okay, so I have already told you what you need. You need a smartphone, you need a silent assistant, you need your Aadhaar card, you need your PAN card, and your Aadhaar card should be linked with your mobile number. Okay, so these are the documents which you require. Now let's start how to register. First of all, you have to download the Groww application. Groww application's link is available on our official WhatsApp channel and in the video description below. Okay, first you need to download the application, install the application. Next is step number 2, you have to create an account here. Now simply you need to use your Google account to create account, or you can use email, phone number, password, name, etc to create an account. Now creating an account in Groww is not enough to start investing. For that you need to create a Demat account. Okay, so step number 3. In the step number 3, when you install Groww and successfully create the account, then you have some multiple tabs and all. There you will have an option like some screens which ask you to continue for your KYC. So just click on continue or proceed to KYC, whatever options will come, click on there. If you have somehow missed or if you click on do it later, whenever you open the application, at the top of your application, you can see this notification that complete your KYC. Okay, so just click on complete KYC or continue KYC or proceed KYC. You will you will get it. Okay, still if you have doubts, you can ask in the comment section, or you can just post to our official groups, WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups. Okay, so you can join there by visiting our website. Link is given in the about page of our channel. Okay, so step number 3, after clicking on the proceed to KYC, not KYC. So there is a checkbox like allow. After clicking on this, you will find a screen where it is asking you to check a checkbox. Okay, so that checkbox allows DigiLocker to fetch your data from your data using your Aadhaar card linked with phone number. Okay, just check this box checked. Okay, DigiLocker is a safe way. It's a DigiLocker is a service powered by Government of India, so you can go with it, no issues. Okay, step number 4. Next, you need to type your Aadhaar number, 12-digit Aadhaar number. Then click on. Then you will have a captcha, and here you need to take a help from silent assistance. Enter the captcha and click on continue. Remember, you should take the silent assistant who is a trustable. Okay, I recommend you to take help from any of your family member like brother, sister, mother, etc. Okay, this is my recommendation. So now we have done with our Aadhaar card and captcha, then click on continue. So once click on continue, next step number 5, you need to enter the OTP sent to your phone from the Aadhaar card, other department. Okay, then click on continue. Remember, copy pasting OTP does not allow, so you need to type manually. I hope till now it's clear to you. Okay, so next, which means step number 6, next you need to enter a 6-digit PIN for your DigiLocker if you did not have any DigiLocker account yet. So they will create an account. There your account of DigiLocker will be created. What you can access, what you can do with the DigiLocker, that we'll discuss in any another podcast or any another tutorial. Okay, but for today, just understand, if you do not have any DigiLocker account, they will create DigiLocker account. Okay, so once it is created, next we have step number 7. Again, you need to click on allow button to fetch your documents from the DigiLocker's server. Okay, it will use your information like Aadhaar card, phone number, links, and it will fetch the information. This is step number 7. Okay, then you need to allow your location. If you are using Android 12, 13, 14, whatever version, you can allow only this time. Okay, allow all the time, whatever choose, but you must allow access Groww GROWW application to create your Demat account. It is mandatory. Okay, because it will verify your country, it will verify that you are legitimate, you are a trusted person. Okay, next it is asking for your photo selfie. Okay, so here step number 8, here you need to take a help of silent assistance. Here you need to upload your selfie. Once you click on the next button, it will ask you to capture a photo of selfie. In your selfie, remember, your face should be clean and visible, and only face is required. Okay, next, when you upload this selfie, click on next. In step number 9, you will need to draw the signature. Remember, here LTI or left thumb impression is not supported. If you stuck somewhere and if you don't know, if you are not aware, not aware means if you are not able to do the sign like initials, writing the initials or anything, please reach out to the Groww's customer care. I'll provide the number in the video description below, as well as our social media channels. So they will guide you, or they will help you to open your account. Or else you can use your initials. If you can do so, do your signature. Okay, so this is step number 9. After submit the signature, step number 10 is add nominee details. So here you can add up to 3 nominees. So you need to enter some details of the nominee, and it is required. If you do not enter the nominee, somehow if you are not available to withdraw your account or withdraw your fund, or any things regarding your funds or investments, your investments or fund will be you will not get back the fund. So it's recommended to add the nominees. To add the nominees, you enter these details: name of the nominee, relation like brother, mother, sister, grandson. Okay, so grandson, and there are other options also. Then date of birth in DD/MM/YYYY format. Okay, and then any ID proof like voter card or Aadhaar card or PAN card, but this ID proof is optional. Okay, so these things are required. Then after that, just click on save details. So once you click on save details, your nominee details will be added. So next, step number 11, you need to preview all of the details and click on save and continue, because as you can add up to 3 nominees, so if you add 1 nominee, 2 nominees, so you can preview all the details. So step number 11 is preview all the details and click on save and continue. Next, after adding the nominee, again you need to verify your Aadhaar number. So in step number 12, again it is asking you to enter your Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar number, enter the Aadhaar number. Then you need to e-sign. You need to do the e-sign using your Aadhaar and NSDL. NSDL is the official portal of PAN card. Okay, so for authorization, then step number 13, click on I consent and click on send OTP. I consent checkbox is there and click send OTP. Then step number 14, click on enter OTP and click on verify OTP for e-signing. Okay, something like this. This is step number 14. Next, step number 15, you are done. Yes, after 14 steps, you are done. You have successfully submitted your application. Just wait for 48 hours. You will receive few SMS from NCS when your account is created, signature is updated. Everything you will get, every details you will get in your account, in your message and email also. So once you are ready, if everything is ready, in step number 16 you will get a link to download your eKYC form. Please download it. In the time of downloads, you need to enter your mobile number. So here you have to download your eKYC form, everything, and just keep it with you. So these are the steps to open the Demat account using Groww. Okay, in any case, if you need any help, you can reach out to the Groww's customer care, and you can also feel free to chat into the comment section. We'll try to help. We cannot assure that we are 100% provide you the best solutions, but yeah, we'll try our best to provide the solutions. Okay, so again, we are telling that if you are opening any account and if you are facing any issues, we are not responsible for that. And if you invest anything, anytime, anywhere by watching our videos or anything like this, we are not responsible for any loss or any profit. We are just sharing the information. Investment is completely in your risk and your understanding. And one more tip, without any knowledge, do not go for the investment. If you want to know more about the investment and other things, just let us know into the comment section. We'll try to arrange something else. Please share this video as much as possible so that other people can also able to learn, and drop us a comment that how did you enjoy this video, whether you like this new initiative or something new we tried. So did you like this or you did not like this? And yeah, following this video we will upload some other videos regarding Groww application, what is the interface, how you can search the funds and all. Okay, how you can understand the details. So please keep watching this video, and you will find all these videos in our special playlist, Finance with Screen Readers. Okay, so that's it guys for this podcast. I hope you like this podcast. If so, please press the like button and again share this video. So thank you so much everyone for keep listening this video, this audio podcast till the end. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.